Welcome back to Neetha's Indulgences. Today is a day all my friends wait for, especially during Christmas. It's all about cookies, desserts and cakes. We are making a gluten-free cookie and the second dish is a strawberry mousse. So what are we waiting for? Let's crack on with it. Our first dish is almond cookies and it's made with almond flour and condensed milk. So let's just start with it. For this, what we require is almond flour, as I already told you. This recipe is inspired from Saurabh Thakur. I'm adding in 150 grams of almond flour. So I'm measuring 90 grams of... So I'm adding in 90 grams of condensed milk. Give this a good mix and this has to be like a nice dough. I made this to a nice dough. I'm going to press this and make it flat. You can roll it if you want, but I'm too lazy to roll. Roll it individually. Use a rolling pin to flatten the dough out. You don't need it too thin, but we need it like a half an inch. Using a Christmas tree cutter, we have rolled the almond cookies. Time to bake. I'm baking the almond cookies for roughly about 8 to 10 minutes at 180 degrees. Alright, look at that. Our lovely Christmas tree is baked. Our almond cookies have cooled down. Now time to sprinkle some goodness. La 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 la. Nice and crunchy. Unlike maida, I think it's a healthy option and gluten-free. So our second dish is strawberry mousse. For that we need honey, curd, strawberry, cream cheese and paneer. We need to blitz 200 grams of strawberry. I am using frozen strawberry. You can also use fresh strawberry. Okay. Now 1/4 cup of curd, 45 grams of paneer, and I am using room temperature cream cheese. We can take roughly around 1 to 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. And we'll add in some honey. So honey, while I'm blitzing, I'll use the honey. Use honey as per your liking. If you like it more sweet, please add more honey, or if you like it less sweet, add less honey. Now I'll blitz this and come back. I've nicely blitzed all the ingredients. Let's plate this. I've taken nice cute Borosil cups. You can make strawberry coulis, but I have some frozen strawberries which are crushed. I'm going to add that here just to bite into it. And that's a wrap on our sweet goodness. Do try these recipes and let me know in the comment section. Watch out for the next episode, our Christmas special. We are going to have a lot of fun, so don't miss out on that. Until next week, take care. Bye-bye. A big round of applause to birthday team.